朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Vegan's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today we are making a vegan recipe. We are making Chow Mei Fun. The exact amount and the brand I use are in the description box. Now let's get started. This is the rice noodle I use. Let's start by soaking the noodles with cold water for at least 1 hour. Then cut up the Napa Cabbage, Celery, julienne the carrot, and cut the yellow onion. Now let's make the sauce. Add black pepper, cooking oil, mushroom seasoning, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and vegan oyster sauce, and mix well. Now boil some water. When the water is boiling, add in the rice noodles. Cook the noodle for 1 minute and take it out. In a clean wok, add some vegetable oil. Then add the yellow onion and saute. Then add in the rest of the vegetables. Cook the vegetable for a minute. Add the noodles in to cook. Then add the sauce. Mix everything together. And it's done!
Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! I love noodles! The vegetable is very fresh and crunchy. The noodles soft and smooth. It is savory. It's very good. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。